Flower. Flower is one of the most beautiful parts of plant. The colored and prominent parts of an open flower are called the petals. Different flowers have different colors of petals. The prominent small leaf-like green-colored structures of a bud are called sepals. The innermost part of a flower is called pistil. The lowermost and swollen part of the pistil is called ovary. The small bead-like structures inside the ovary are called ovules. Stamen is the structure in a flower that produces pollen and consists of a filament and an anther. The structure of flower is not always the same. The number of sepals, petals, stamens and pistils may be different in different flowers. In some flowers, some of these parts may be absent. Categories of plants, herbs, shrubs and trees. Herbs are green and have tender stems. They are usually short in size and do not consist of too many branches. For example, ginger and garlic. Shrubs have hard stems that are not thick. They have the stem branching near the base. For example, lemon and hibiscus. Trees have characteristics of being tall in size. They have hard and thick brown stem and the stem branching is much above the ground in the upper part. For example, mango and teak. Creepers cannot stand upright and spread on the ground as they have weak stem. For example, watermelon and cucumber. Climbers climb up by taking support on neighboring structures. For example, beans and peas. Stem. The stem holds the leaves, flowers and fruits in a plant. It helps in conduction of water and minerals in plants. The conduction of water and minerals to the leaves and other plant parts attached to the stem takes place with the help of narrow tubes present inside the stem. Let us carry out a simple experiment to understand the functions of the stem. Fill 2 beakers half full with water. Add about 20 to 30 drops of red ink to one of the beakers and the other beaker should contain just plain water. Cut the stem of a white flower plant and place it in the first beaker containing red ink. Similarly, cut another stem of white flower plant and put it in the second beaker containing just plain water. Leave them for 2 to 4 hours. What will you observe? You will see that the flower in the first beaker turns red. This shows that stem conducts water, by which the white flower turned into red. Parts of leaf. Leaf is attached to the stem by petiole, and the broad green part of the leaf is called lamina. The parts of leaf are blade, margin, tip, petiole, midrib, vein, sheath, stipule, and leaf axil. Roots. Roots anchor the plants by holding the plant firmly to the ground. If you cut the plant root, can it stand straight? No, it will fall down. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and the stem conducts these to leaves and other parts of the plant. This is a chain system. Type of roots. Roots are generally classified as fibrous, taproot, aerial, storage or tuberous root, and adventitious roots. Click on the button to know more about it. Fibrous. In this type of roots, there is no main root. Thin, similar roots grow directly from the stem. This is called fibrous root. Example, petunias, beans, peas. Taproot. The central main root is slightly enlarged. It grows vertically downwards and is called taproot. The smaller roots that grow from it are lateral roots. Example, carrot, beet, radish and mango tree. Aerial roots. Roots arise from above ground stem tissues, like the English ivy and banyan. The aerial roots support the vine. Example, philodendrons, pothos and Christmas cactus. Storage or tuberous root. These are enlarged roots that serve as storage organs. Example, Canadian thistle, morning glory, sweet potato, dahlia. Adventitious roots. Adventitious roots arise from any other part of the plant except the radicle. For example, the brace roots on corn and the short whitish bumps along a tomato stem are adventitious roots.